Hello, my lovely people. It's exactly 4 something in the morning. Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Good morning, my lovely people. And please, if this is your first time here, my name is AIDAHT, and please subscribe, like, and let me know where exactly you're watching from. Today is a laundry day. Before starting my work, this will be my first work. I have a lot of dresses to wash today, bed sheet and other clothes. Some are mine, but most of them are for my boss. As you can see, I left some dress in the machine and in the dryer because I was so tired yesterday, so I just left them there until morning. Then I started from where exactly I stopped yesterday. This is life. Yeah, this is our life. So I decided today to sort some of them, the one that is colored, because I cannot mix them together in the machine. So those I'm going to use my hands to wash them, and I hate it, though I have nothing to do. Shout out to you, all my fellow hustlers. Whenever you are, just know everything will be okay. So here everything's done. Now I'm going to start to wash the colored ones. I will soak them first because I find some coin in the pocket, because sometimes have tissues and everything. So right now I'm going to start soaking these colored clothes so that it will be easy for me to wash, since I'm going to use my hands. Plus this soap is so strong, it's very strong. It's not nice using hands using this soap, so I have to let it sit like 10 to 15 minutes. But guys, guess what? After soaking this towel, I was like, am I really going to use my hands to wash this towel? I was like, no, it can't happen. It can't happen. So I decided to put it together with the other dresses in the machine so that it will be washed one time. Really, I can't afford washing a big towel like that using my hands. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to start washing this one. Yeah, they are already soft and easy to wash, so it is easy for me. Please don't forget to subscribe, help a sister, and please let me know where exactly you're watching from. Do you like washing or you hate washing clothes like me? If washing clothes only, it won't be a big problem. But on top of that, after here, immediately after here, I have a lot of work to do. Not only this that I'm going to do. So guys, working abroad is not a joke. Yes, if you're there, you want to come abroad to work, I'm not discouraging you, but I just want to let you know that this is life that we pass through. That you may even find a family that they don't even have a washing machine, and that means you will be using your hands to wash all the dresses for the family, or especially if have children, then you will face it rough. So if you're ready, you're coming. If you want to come, or if you're already in here and you are new, just know anything can happen, just anything. So you have to be ready. This is our life. I don't mean that we are suffering, though some they are suffering, but it doesn't mean that everyone is suffering. So you may get lucky. You can find a family with no children. You can find a family with children, but they love you as a family. So these things, I think you have to pray before coming. You have to pray hard. Though we have to work because we need money, we need them and they need us as well. So finally, this one was done already, and my courage is here saying hi. Early morning, 5 o'clock, she's dancing. She's so crazy and naughty. So that's what happened. So guys, this is done already, and I mop there, I mop. Then after mopping, I will hang everything. Remember, we are in a hurry. It is 5 o'clock right now. Not yet shower, not yet breakfast, not yet doing anything because I have to clean. Then after cleaning, I will eat breakfast. Then after breakfast, I'll be back here to iron. And guys, everything here is done. Now it's time for shower. And after here, I will be going down to eat breakfast, and then I will start working after breakfast because I was hungry already. So today's breakfast, I'm going to boil some milk with ginger and cinnamon. I love it. I love this tea because it's really nice with cinnamon and tea. Just try it. You won't regret. And right now it's breakfast time. You see my tea is so nice, milk tea. I boiled one egg and it's really nice to have a good breakfast before a heavy work. And then after immediately from there, I went back in the laundry. Everything was dry already. All my dress was dry because we are in summer. It's really very hot in our laundry. We don't have AC over there, so that means if you hang dresses there, in just few minutes it will be dry. So I started ironing. Guys, support me with a like. Give me a like, please, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ironing is something else that I don't like, but folding is also difficult for me because I really hate folding. But what else I can do? I have nothing to do, so I had to iron as I'm folding, even though I don't know. But my boss knows that I don't know how to fold dresses, and sometimes she's even folding it again for herself. So, guys, that is our life because just I'm here, I'm not working alone. You may find someone who's working alone in the house, washing, ironing, cleaning, everything on one person. So guys, this is our life. Though we don't regret, for me, I don't regret coming in Saudi Arabia because it has helped me a lot. Yes, so I was done with the dress and I decided, after lonely, I decided to make some grape juice for myself because I was so tired and I was going to start preparing lunch. So I decided to treat myself with a grape juice. It's so nice. You have to try it in this summer. It's also good, guys, especially when you add one piece of lemon, and you can also add fresh mint. Yes, it's also nice. Thank you guys for always coming back here on my channel, watching my videos. I do really appreciate. Bye.